So, hey guys, welcome back to Trade Tactics. In today's video, I'll show you the best way to use the Supertrend Indicator, which will help you improve your trading and make it more profitable. Before we start the video, let me briefly describe the Supertrend. The Supertrend is a trend-following indicator, similar to a moving average, that gives you specific buy and sell signals along with the market trend. The Supertrend is simple, yet highly accurate, because it is based on the average true range ATR. So we won't go too deep into technical details, and we'll directly move to the strategy. Our first strategy involves using 3 Supertrend indicators. It's very simple. You just need to search for the Supertrend indicator on your trading platform and apply it 3 times. Now, we have 3 Supertrend indicators applied to the chart. Next, we need to make some changes to their settings. For the first indicator, set the ATR length to 12 and the factor to 3. For the second indicator, set the ATR length to 10 and the factor to 1. For the third indicator, set the ATR length to 11 and the factor to 22. Now, our setup is ready. You'll see 3 lines on the chart, which will sometimes turn red and sometimes green. Don't get confused, it's very simple. Let's now understand how to identify buy and sell signals. You should take a trade only when all 3 lines show the same color. Let's understand this with an example. Here, you can see the top 2 lines are red and the bottom line is green. In this case, you should not take any trade. Next, at this point, you'll notice all 3 lines have turned green. This is a buy signal, and you can enter a buy trade here. Your exit will be when any one of the 3 lines changes color. Now let's look at an example for selling. Here, you can see the bottom 2 lines are green, and the top line is red. So you should not take any trade here. Next, at this point, all the lines have turned red. This is a sell or short signal. So this was the triple Supertrend strategy. Now let's move to our second strategy. In this strategy, we'll use the Supertrend along with a trend line. For this strategy, we'll use a single Supertrend with default settings. Let's understand this strategy. Here, you can see the stock is in a downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs as it moves downward. Since it's a downtrend, we'll draw the trend line above the candles. It's very simple. You need to draw the trend line by connecting the maximum lower highs. So we've drawn a trend line here. Since the price has been rejected multiple times at this level and moved downward, this is a key level for the price. Now we need to wait for a breakout of this trend line. At this point, you'll notice a green candle has broken the trend line. If any candle breaks the height of this candle and the Supertrend turns green, you can enter a buy trade here. Let's look at another example. Here, you can see the stock is in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows as it moves upward. Since it's an uptrend, we'll draw the trend line below the price. Again, you need to draw the trend line by connecting the maximum touch points. So we've drawn a trend line here. Now we need to wait for a breakout. At this point, you'll notice a red candle has broken the trend line. However, you should not take a trade yet because the Supertrend is still green. We need to wait for the Supertrend to turn red. At this point, you'll see the Supertrend has turned red. Now you can enter a sell trade here. So I've tried my best to explain everything to you. Hopefully, guys, you found this video informative. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, best of luck for your trading journey.